This is the 2027 GMC Sierra EV Denali, a futuristic vision of what happens when premium luxury meets massive electric performance. From the very first image, this truck makes one thing clear. This is not an ordinary pickup. Finished in stunning pearl white metallic paint, with a bold futuristic front design, a full-width LED light signature, sculpted bodywork, and massive black wheels, the Sierra EV Denali looks ready to dominate both the highway and the world of electric trucks. As we move toward the front, the futuristic character of this machine becomes impossible to ignore. The traditional look of a pickup has been transformed into something cleaner, sharper, and more advanced. The wide front fascia creates a powerful visual presence, while the illuminated LED light bar stretches across the face of the truck, giving it a distinctive identity day or night. The sculpted hood adds muscle, reminding us that even though this is an electric vehicle, it still needs to look like a serious truck. From a low front angle, the Sierra EV Denali appears even more massive. Its wide stance, large wheels, and premium proportions give it the road presence expected from a flagship GMC pickup. This is the kind of truck that does not need to make noise to get attention. Its design does the talking. Every line, every surface, and every lighting detail is focused on creating a modern and powerful appearance. Move around to the side, and the full size of the Sierra becomes even more impressive. The spacious crew cab, strong shoulder line, clean body panels, and premium truck bed design create a balance between luxury and capability. The large black multi-spoke wheels add a performance-inspired attitude, while the pearl white paint gives the entire truck a clean and expensive appearance. Then the Sierra EV Denali hits the open road. As it moves through the mountains, the truck looks calm, confident, and completely at home. Electric power brings a different kind of driving experience, smooth, immediate, and quiet. But the Sierra still carries the bold personality of a full-size American pickup. Imagine instant response when you press the accelerator, powerful torque available without delay, and a heavy-duty stance that makes every highway feel smaller. But this truck is not just designed for smooth pavement. Take it toward rugged terrain, and its personality begins to change. Driving through a rocky desert trail, the Sierra EV Denali shows that futuristic technology and adventure can exist in the same machine. Dust rises around the tires as the massive pickup moves across the rough landscape. Its wide body remains planted, while the bold proportions make it look capable even in the most dramatic surroundings. Then comes the water crossing. As the truck moves slowly through the shallow river, water splashes around the wheels and reflects the bright bodywork. It is a cinematic moment that highlights the versatility expected from a modern pickup. Luxury for the city, comfort for long-distance travel, and the visual confidence to explore beyond the pavement. Up close, the details become even more impressive. The futuristic LED lighting gives the front end its signature look. The smooth surfaces, bold fascia, and sculpted hood combine modern electric design with the strong identity of a GMC truck. Move down to the wheels, and the large black alloys add another layer of aggression. These details may be small individually, but together they create a pickup with a powerful personality. Step inside, and the Sierra EV Denali takes luxury to another level. The rugged exterior gives way to a premium, high-tech cabin designed for comfort and modern driving. The digital instrument display puts important information directly in front of the driver, while the large center screen becomes the command center for entertainment, navigation, vehicle settings, and advanced technology. The premium materials, spacious seating, and modern interior design create an environment that feels more like a luxury SUV than a traditional work truck. The front seats are designed for long-distance comfort, while the large cabin provides space for passengers and everyday life. This is what makes the Denali name special, the ability to combine utility with premium comfort. As night arrives, the Sierra EV Denali reveals an entirely different side. The futuristic LED lighting comes alive against the dark city streets. Reflections move across the wet pavement, while the pearl white body stands out beneath the lights of a modern skyline. The truck looks advanced, powerful, and unmistakably premium. And finally, the camera rises high above the road. From the sky, the Sierra EV Denali drives along a winding mountain highway as the sun begins to set. The massive proportions, clean electric design, and bold lighting signature stand out against the dramatic landscape. The 2027 GMC Sierra EV Denali represents a new chapter for the luxury pickup.